Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video I will tell you how to buy online charger cable from Amazon. So first of all I will open my browser. Here you can see the dashboard of Amazon. We will type here charger cable. So you can see there are a lot of keywords, for example charger cable protector, charger cable holder, charger cable type C, charger cable organizer, charger cable iPhone, charger cable multiple devices, USB charger cable fast charging, charger cable 3 in 1. So we will only click charge cable, and you can see there are lot of charger cables available, its prices and its rating, and this one is brand. So we will open 4 to 5, for example first one, second one, third, fourth, and this one charge cable. And you can see there are a lot of cables available, and we will open this one. So first of all you can see this one, its home is its front side and its brand Amazon basic brand, and you can see this one, its port. You easily can use this one for laptop, for your mobile, and it's also port and its sideds. And you can see there is Amazon basic USB type C type USB 2.0 mil charge cable, charger cable, and its price is only $6. And if you want to buy this one product, then please click add to cart and buy now. For example I will click on buy now. So here you will put your number and your email, then select continue. So then you easily can buy this one product. So if you want to read description of this product, then you should have to read this one. For example, up to 480 MB data transfer speed, power output 15 volt, 5 meter, 3 amp, do not exceed recommended load. It says. So if I select another, so you can see there are a lot of cables available, and it's available in pairs, and you can see its brand, you put its brand, and connector type USB, and lighting USB, and table smartphones. And this one is not available in stock, that's why I will select another. So here you can see its front side, its brand, and its price is $7.99. And if you want to buy this one product, then click add to cart. See this one. So I hope now you have an idea how to buy online charger cable from Amazon. So please like my video and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.